Okay, this is more for me than for you because I don't like using magic circles, so I was going to try doing that with a chain in the center. So I'm going to chain 5, slip stitch that together, and chain 3, do my 3 treble crochets, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, treble crochet, chain 1, 3 doubles, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 trebles, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and slip stitch in the center. And so that's how it looks if you do a chain 5 ring in the center instead of the magic ring. And then 2, 3, come up here and do our single crochets around. And then we're going to slip stitch into the center here. And then for our third row, we're going to do our chain 3. I'm going to do it the same way I did where I added a single crochet into that chain 3 from row 2. Then single crochets around. And I did switch to a different yarn. Basically, I wanted to do it in a different color so that we could compare and contrast the difference between the two. But other than that, I'm doing everything the same as I did. I'm going to add in that chain 1 at the tip on both sides on that third row. And then again, I'm going to add in an extra single crochet there, do the chain 3 and slip stitch into the center. And then I'm going to, fasten that off, and I will weave my ends. And because I only have the outside end, I don't have to weave the end from the center circle because I covered that with my stitches. And so that's what your heart would look like if you do a chain 5 in the center to make a ring instead of using a magic circle.